Since it is possible for electricity to cause a fire, and since computers do use electricity, it's possible to have a fire around a computer. And so we should understand fire extinguishers and the type that would be used around a computer. Fire extinguisher ratings are in classes. A Class A fire extinguisher is suitable for a fire that is fueled by ordinary combustible materials like wood, trash, or clothes. These types of fire extinguishers are usually foam and water-based. Class B is suitable for flammable liquids like oil, gasoline, kerosene, propane gas, and some plastics. These type of fire extinguishers are almost always foam-based and do contain a liquid within the foam. Neither of these classes is suitable for a computer fire because of the water. Class C fire extinguishers are suitable for a fire that is ignited and heated by electricity. They're usually a dry chemical, and these are the ones that are best for computers because there is no water. The dry chemical suffocates the fire as long as we use the fire extinguisher in the proper method. A good way to remember how to put out a fire with a fire extinguisher is remember PASS, the pass method. In other words, pull the pin first, then aim low at the base of the fire. After you aim, then squeeze the handle of the fire extinguisher. Dry chemical will come out incredibly fast once you squeeze the handle, so aim first. Then sweep back and forth across the base of the fire. What we are attempting to do is to suffocate the fire. If the fire extinguisher does not seem to be putting the fire out, then get out and call the fire department. But a good fire extinguisher that we have maintained with a charge will put out most computer fires. So in summary, in this chapter, we learned how to measure electricity. We learned a little bit about AC versus DC current. We learned how to detect a defective power supply, and then some backup power sources. We also learned some general safety tips about electricity and how to put out a fire. In our next section, we'll switch gears and talk about supporting Windows 9X operating systems.